Hello, this is Jose Brian V. Padel, a civil engineering student from Eastern Visayas State University, first year section A. One of the topics I need to master is applying trigonometric functions. So join me as I answer these three problems that would help us master applying trigonometric functions. This figure, the missing side is the side B. To be able to get the measurement of this side, we will use the cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. That said, cosine of 55 degrees will be equals to B over 12 meters. Cross multiplication, B will be equals to 12 meters times the cosine of 55 degrees. We will get our scientific calculator and input these values. Our B will be 6.88 meters. That will be our final answer. For problem number 2, what we are finding here is this side of x. The next thing we will do here is to denote this another side into another variable, because we can get this side by also trigonometric function of this larger right triangle. Let's denote this as y. Using the cosine of 55 degrees will be equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is x over y. Since we are missing two variables here, we need two equations involving those variables. So cosine of 35 degrees will be equals to y over 22 inches. Y will be equals to 22 inches times cosine of 35 degrees. Then we can substitute this value of y into that equation. Cosine of 55 degrees will be equals to x over 22 inches over x over 22 inches cosine 35 degrees. Using cross multiplication, we can derive for the value of x. X will be equals to 22 cosine 35 degrees cosine 50 degrees. Using our scientific calculator, we can just input these values and solve for the value of x. So x will be 10.34 inches. That would be our final answer. For our third problem, it will be a circle inscribed in a triangle, in an isosceles triangle to be precise. The first thing we will do here is to make this triangle into a right triangle. So we will just cut this in half. So we have cutted this triangle into a half. This will be 1 meter. and this will be 15 degrees. Note this side as variable A. To get the variable A, we will use tangent, which is equals to opposite over adjacent. So tangent of 15 degrees will be equals to 1 meter over A. Using cross multiplication, A will be equals to 1 times tangent of 15 degrees. 1 tangent 15 degrees is equals to 1 meter. Then A is equals to 1 meter over tangent of 15 degrees. Now, using our scientific calculator, we will just input the value. After that, we will find for this side, the hypotenuse. We can use another trigonometric function, which is sine, because sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Sine of 15 degrees will be equals to 1 meter over hypotenuse, h. Using cross multiplication, h will be equals to 1 meter over sine of 15 degrees. So the hypotenuse side will be equals to square root of 6 plus the square root of 2. Since we are finding for the radius of the inscribed circle in a triangle, we have this formula. Radius is equals to the area of triangle over the semi-perimeter. We can get the area of the triangle by area is equals to 1/2 base times side, since we already have the base, which is 2 meters, and the height, which is denoted as A, 2 plus the square root of 3 meters. So A will be equals to 1/2 of 2 meters multiplied by 2 plus the square root of 3 meters. Using again our scientific calculator, we can derive for the value of so since 1/2 and 2 we just cancel, area will be equals 2 plus the square root of 2, 3 meters squared. Now for the semi-perimeter, we will just add the 3 sides of the triangle, which is denoted by 2h plus 2 meters, and divide it by 2. So s will be equals to this. So for our semi-perimeter, it will be 4.86 meters. Just write this. So we already have the value of the area of the triangle and its semi-perimeter. We can get the value of the length of the radius of a circle described in a triangle. So r is equals to 2 plus the square root of 3 meters squared all over 4.86 meters. Using again our scientific calculator, we can derive for the radius. Radius would be 0.77 meters, and that would be our final answer. So that's how you solve those 3 problems. However, learning doesn't stop right here. So for you to be able to master how to apply trigonometric functions, answer and solve more. Thank you, that will be all. Thank you for watching.